Hello, fourth grade. It's Mrs. Manzi. I am going to go over your schedule for Thursday, May 21st, 2020. All right. And the important information I have directions for the day. I would like everybody, if you could, to please listen to my morning message. And I also have a note in here that tomorrow is a virtual field trip. Where you will be going will be revealed tomorrow. Okay, so we have three sections as always. We're going to work on some spelling today. So, what I did is I posted a seesaw assignment where you will have to use spelling words to fill in the blank in the sentence and solve a puzzle at the end. If you go to Google Classroom, go to classwork, May 21st. Okay, here is our checklist and our virtual classroom. I already have it open just because when I'm presenting, it's easier to have everything open. Okay, so I have a link here for the Seesaw for spelling review. You'll log into Seesaw and you will see an activity called Spelling Puzzle. I'm going to click Add Response so you can see it as a sample student. Okay. And what you have to do here is you can type it in. So it says one of 5 digits on each hand. Okay. So you would look on the spelling list here. Which one means one of 5 digits on each hand? I'm giving you the first one here, finger. So you would type in Finger. Then after you did all 16, I think I have 16 on here. Yes. Okay. You are going to use the circled letters, okay, to name 2 months of the year, okay, in order to 2 months of the year, okay. So that's what you have for spelling. Don't forget to click the check mark. I'm noticing a lot of people are not doing the seesaw. Our seesaws this week, I had many students not completed. So I'm really hoping that we're going to do a better job with that and to complete these assignments. Okay. Now for reading today. Okay, you have a read aloud called Rosie Revere Engineer. This is done by Mr. Rodriguez. I have the link right here next to read aloud, right next to morning message. And then you're going to work on comparing text. So I have a Pear Deck where I posted a poem about spiders. And you're going to work through the Pear Deck and answer the questions that compare the two texts. So wrong one. All right. So the girl who loves spiders and spider poems. So the first thing that I have posted are these 2 poems here. If you click this audio included, you can listen to it as well. All right. So the question I have popped up in the middle here, and you'll write your response here. Okay, next slide. All right. And here on this side, you're going to highlight. So the highlight tool will pop up. You can pick whichever one. And you can always, since it's on your Chromebook, I'm using my fingers right now to zoom in or zoom out. So it's saying highlight evidence in spider ropes that reveals how the speaker feels about the walk in the woods. So we're going to look specifically at spider ropes. Is there anything in here, okay, that shows you how the speaker is feeling? Okay, that's what I'm looking for. All right. And the last question here, it says, how is the speaker in spider ropes similar, which means the same or close to the same to Ashanti from The Girl Who Loves Spiders? You're going to drag the icon to the response that best answers the question. Okay, so I have 3 boxes, okay? And we almost did the work for you here. So this is how they are similar. This is how they are similar, and this is how they are similar. We gave 3 examples here, but we're looking for which you think best answers the question. You're going to drag this thumb on top of whichever one of these 3 you think best answers that question. Okay? So that is what you have for reading today. And then going into writing, okay, we're going to work on sentence fragments. I highlighted this last sentence here. I'm going to read it to you. It says, I know it seems like we've been doing this forever, but this is an essential skill to your writing. Yes, we have been working with sentence fragments, punctuation, capitalization. You're saying, Mrs. Manzi, I am so sick of practicing this. I get it. I hear you. But this is an essential skill to your writing. And now that we're on an online platform, and this is how we are able to evaluate, we need to see that you can construct a sentence. And this is just a skill that we want really to be firm and solid going into 5th grade. I promise you next week we will look at different things. All right, so I have also, you will see a Pear Deck for sentences and fragments. All right, so this is another one you will work through. A reminder of what a sentence is, a reminder of what a fragment is. All right, we're going to look, what is the subject in this sentence? You will select. What is the predicate in this sentence? You will select. All right, and then you have to highlight here. Okay, so you're going to highlight or color in sentences blue and fragments green. I'll zoom in so you guys can see that. The directions are right here. We're going to color in the sentences blue, fragments green. I'm okay with whatever shade of blue or green you decide, as long as I can clearly tell the difference between the green and the blue. Okay, now I think that I speak for a lot of teachers when I say that we notice engagement and participation has been down. We are really trying our best, guys, to make these lessons meaningful to you and to make them exciting and to make them on skills that we know you will be successful. So let's keep working hard. Let's keep doing the best we can. If you have any questions at all, reach out to me. We will have a Google Meet today and discuss more things. I hope you guys have a great day. I will talk to you later.